What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2025 Hyundai Palisade started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash telling me to press the start button with the key. So we're going to take our key and use the top of it to press the stop start button. So press the brake in like you normally would, and then come over here. And then once the vehicle is started, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to a video that shows how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.